Good morning, everyone. Bom dia a todos. Buenos dias a todos. Bonjour tout le monde. So I'm just going to show you how you can make a quick mask from a shirt. We're coming to you from Barbados in the Caribbean. We know that we're quarantining all over the world in our various ways. One of the challenges is that there is a shortage of masks, certainly the N95 masks used by medical professionals. This is not a medical grade mask, but it will keep you safer than if you didn't have a mask. So I'm just going to show you how you can make a quick mask from a shirt. What in essence you're building is this. You're essentially making an H with your shirt. What we're going to do is use our hands to measure the distances, and then we're going to cut it out. Your hand is a perfect measure from your nose to your mouth. And then of course another hand length goes around the back of your head. So we can use 3 hand lengths to make a mask for yourself. So I'm going to cut 1, 2, 3. And since that I was going to run out of space, what I'll do is I'll just cut this shirt and measure that distance. You remember it was 3 hand lengths. 1, 2, 3. And now I've got my cloth. We're going to now remove the center section so that we have the 2 arms. You want to leave enough room for your mask at the front. And this is going to be from the edges here to give you that center section. Cut each panel individually. Careful not to get too close to the edge, otherwise you might end up cutting off your earpiece. Cut out that center section. So now we've got one end. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. If you wanted to use a piece of chalk to mark where you're going to cut to, you can also do that. Careful again not to cut all the way to the edge. Sometimes it slips and then you cut that arm off. Now we're going to cut out this center bit. So now you see that we've got our H. Now we can just test it out to see if this mask works. And there you've done it. You got a mask. Now if you have a coffee filter and a stapler, what you can do is take that coffee filter, unfold it or cut it. You're going to just want to place that on the inside of your mask. Fold it so that it fits within, or you can cut it so that it fits within your mask. Staple it with the top side through the filter first. That way you won't get stuck if any of the staples come out. Now you've got a mask that filters even more than a regular cotton mask. And of course these filters are replaceable. There you got it. You got a mask. Hope that you and your families remain safe and healthy. Hails from Barbados.